god. Oh my god.
That was a check off the old bucket list. Keep watching to see our day from start to finish.
Hi, Jenny. Yeah. We have a 45-minute trek there, and we have 43 minutes as of right now. Having fun, Jenny? You mean waiting a half hour to get our car was not a fun experience? So we got, what, 10 minutes to make it to our appointment, and we're just left the facility. So that means we need to travel about double the closest speed limit.
He is.
I am not. I'm not trying to get pulled over in Mexico. We made it. The thing about time zones is you need to make sure the time zone you're going to is actually a different time zone. So instead of being 15 to 20 minutes late, we are about 45 minutes early, which is a good thing. Hi, Jenny.
Just tell him what happened, Joey.
Woke up way too early.
How early?
Listen, we're
How
still
early?
here. We're still here.
We'll go at 4.
So,
We didn't have to be here until 8.
so we got another hour instead of the previous that we thought we were 45 minutes early. So we were
2 hours.
about 2 hours, yeah. Only because I was able to make that stop. If we didn't make that stop, there would have been another 15 minutes. That's a different story. So
Oh, you mean we still out?
we're here on time, fed, drank. Jenny's happier. So yeah, next step is going to be the little training that we go through, and then after that, on to the boat.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What do we do?
We were just looking up those things.
There they are. Oh, Joey! Oh my God!
Right here is what we came up to that jacket. 45 kilos swimming, 40 kilos swimming, 3 kilos de rinde. You must go for it and then go to the okay?
With the whale sharks, it was exhausting. People were late, so our trip got delayed. However, they did make it to where we got, they gave us kind of sort of special treatment without giving us special treatment and telling us that they would make sure that we got to see what we wanted since we had our video footage with us. Joey threw up a lot. For some reason, he went Dramamine.
A lot.
Got a lot of sun. Even though the boat was covered, we, you can see Joey's a little burn right there. But most likely heading to Hooters. It's a tradition for us when we go to Cancun.